Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to talk about something that I typically don't talk about on this channel since this is a trading channel at its core, but I thought it'd be fun to share my experience of some of the best mutual and index funds that I think the market has to offer. So without further ado, let's get started. The first is the Schwab S&P 500 index fund, ticker symbol SWPPX, and the title is just that. It mirrors the S&P 500. It's a large cap index fund with a low expense ratio, and if you have a Schwab account, it has no trading fees. Otherwise, it'll probably cost you around $50 per transaction. At least that's the cost at TD Ameritrade. I'm sure it's going to vary at other brokers. The price is relatively cheap compared to some other funds. So if you're looking to start out with a small account, you can buy more shares. Here are the top 10 holdings. Hang on, here we go. Yeah, here are the top 10 holdings, with its majority being in Microsoft. Let me go ahead and click view more holdings so you could see all of it. So yeah, about 5%, just a little over 5% being in Microsoft, and the majority of its stake is in Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, which I think are all solid companies for long-term growth. Again, here's a full list of the companies it has in its top holdings. I think its sector allocation is well diversified as well, with majority of its position being in technology, which I believe has the best growth potential going forward. And as you can see here, majority of the mutual funds allocation is made up of stocks. So if you're looking for a more conservative allocated fund, that brings me to my second choice. Type it in here. And that is the Vanguard Wellesley Income Fund, ticker symbol VWINX. It doesn't move up as high as some of the other funds and is more of a slow, gradual climb, but it doesn't drop as low either if there's ever a market correction or crash. And I can switch to the all-time chart and you can sort of get a understanding of what I'm talking about. And here's the 2008 crash. You know, if you compare this to some of the other funds, this drop is insignificant compared to those. But that's one that you could also pick. Here are some of the top holdings, as you can see. Yeah, so you could see that JP Morgan Chase is a majority stake. And I'll go ahead and switch to view more holdings so you could see all of its top 10 holdings. Or top holdings, I should say. So again, the highest percentage is less than 2%, and again, that's in JP Morgan Chase. Same could be said about the sector allocation, with the financial sector being the highest. The asset allocation is primarily made up of bonds, with just a little over 60%, while the rest is made up of stocks and other liquid assets. And the final index I wanted to talk about is the Vanguard Total Stock Market Fund, ticker symbol VTSAX. And this is an index fund for the entire US stock market, which is also well diversified with close to $200 billion in net assets. Its top 10 holdings actually resembles that of SWPPX almost to a T. You know, as you can see, majority of its stake is in Microsoft, Apple, and Amazon. And again, this isn't just with the top holdings, like its sector allocation and asset allocation matches that of Schwab S&P 500 index fund, again, almost to a T. And yeah, that's really about it. There you have it, guys. These are just some of my recommendations. I just wanted to focus on 3, but there are actually a lot of great ones out there. Another one I like is an ETF, which is the Vanguard S&P 500. It's the ticker symbol VOO, or as I like to call it, VOO. I'll bring it up here. And right now it's sitting at just over 255. And I still stand by the fact that mutual and index funds are the best investment for long-term growth. And it's obviously it's a better way to have your money in those funds than some bank that's hardly going to pay you interest. But anyways, that's just my 2 cents, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.